Rahim. Dear students, I am Professor Ejaz from Chemistry Department, University of Narwal. We have started chemical reactions of alkane. First one was combustion, and now second reaction of alkane is oxidation. Oxidation can be carried out under different conditions. First type of oxidation is incomplete oxidation. If we burn an alkane in limited supply of oxygen, limited oxygen, the product formed are carbon monoxide, water, and carbon black. C stands for carbon black. In this reaction, 3 mole of methane are provided with 4 mole of oxygen. So this ratio shows that there is present little amount of oxygen for 3 mole of methane, due to which the products have been changed. Instead of carbon dioxide, we obtain carbon monoxide and carbon black. Black powder carbon is formed. Second type of oxidation is catalytic oxidation. In the presence of a metallic catalyst at high temperature of 400 degrees centigrade and high pressure of 200 atmospheric pressure, alkanes can be made to react with atomic oxygen. For example, in the presence of copper as a metal catalyst, methane reacts with atomic oxygen in such a way that useful products, organic compounds are obtained. Methane with first atom of oxygen gives methanol, alcohol family member with the hydroxyl group. One hydrogen of methane is changed into hydroxyl group. When oxygen is attached with hydrogen, it is changed to hydroxyl group, and the product formed is called methanol या methyl alcohol, first member of alcohol family, methyl alcohol. In second step, methyl alcohol is oxidized. Second atom of oxygen takes place in reaction in such a way that one hydrogen from carbon atom and one hydrogen from oxygen of OH group combines with the second atom of oxygen. They go to water and CO single bond is changed to CO double bond. This molecule with CO double bond and 2 hydrogen atoms with carbon atom is called formaldehyde, first member of aldehyde family. Methane first changes to methyl alcohol, and methyl alcohol then changes to formaldehyde. In third step, atom number 3 of oxygen react with formaldehyde. It combines with the hydrogen, one of the hydrogen, and make it a OH group. So formaldehyde is changed to formic acid, first member of carboxylic acid family. C double bond O OH indicates carboxyl group, and this is a first member of carboxylic acid family, formic acid. So 3 types of organic compounds can be obtained by catalytic oxidation of methane. In first step, methane is changed to methyl alcohol. In second step, methyl alcohol is changed to formaldehyde. And in third step, formaldehyde is oxidized to formic acid. Finally, in fourth step, when formic acid is further oxidized under same condition, in the presence of copper catalyst, 400 degree centigrade temperature and 200 atmospheric pressure, formic acid is oxidized into carbon dioxide and water. But before complete oxidation into carbon dioxide and water, we are provided with three important families of organic compounds. We can obtain methyl alcohol, formaldehyde and formic acid from methane. If we use a higher member of alkane family, we can get higher molecules of carboxylic acids, which are given the name fatty acids. Fatty acids are obtained on industrial level by the process of catalytic oxidation of alkanes. Fatty acids are used for the preparation of soap, vegetable oil, etc. on industrial level. The third chemical reaction of alkane is nitration. Nitration is the replacement of hydrogen atom by a nitro group, NO2 group, nitro group. Nitration of alkane is vapor phase nitration. Nitric acid and alkane molecules react in vapor form. In vapor form at high temperature of 400 to 500 degrees centigrade, a drastic condition of temperature is applied. One hydrogen of methane is replaced by nitro group from nitric acid. HNO3 is written as HONO2 to elaborate the reaction, replacement of hydrogen by nitro group. The product formed is called nitromethane by nitration of methane. Any other alkane can also be nitrated under same conditions to get different nitroalkanes, which are used as fuel, as solvents, and in organic synthesis. Many organic compounds are obtained from nitroalkanes. Reaction number 4 of alkanes is halogenation, which is a replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by halo group, X group, halo group. High temperature is required to conduct halogenation, in which there occurs successive replacement of hydrogen atoms by chlorine or bromine with normal rate. If we make a reaction of alkane with fluorine, the reaction is very violent, rapid reaction, explosive reaction, in which carbon, fluorinated alkanes and hydrofluoric acid is formed. With iodine, alkanes show very slow reaction, reversible and slow. So the order of reactivity of alkanes with halogens is fluorine is the most reactive halogen and iodine is the least reactive halogen. So we can conduct halogenation of alkane with chlorine and bromine at normal rate. The reaction involves a mechanism in which free radicals are formed, and 3 steps are involved to complete this reaction. In first step, let us take example of reaction of methane with chlorine. So in first step, chlorine molecule is broken into 2 chlorine free radicals in the presence of ultraviolet light, H nu. Ultraviolet light is represented by H nu. This step in which chlorine molecule is broken into chlorine free radical is called initiation. In second step, one chlorine free radical takes hydrogen from methane molecule and is changed into HCl. The electron of carbon, which is bonded with the hydrogen atom, is left with carbon atom after removal of hydrogen atom. So this carbon with free electron becomes methyl free radical. So this step in which chlorine free radical takes hydrogen from methane molecule and methane is changed into methyl free radical is called propagation. In third step, methyl free radical take chlorine atom from chlorine molecule and is changed to methyl chloride. Fourth valency of carbon is satisfied with the chlorine atom. Carbon shares its electron with the electron of chlorine from chlorine molecule. Second atom of chlorine is changed to chlorine free radical. So this step is called termination. So these three steps are involved in the completion of halogenation, initiation, propagation and termination. All the photochemical reactions involve these three steps: initiation, propagation and termination. The halogenation shown in these three reactions involves the replacement of only one hydrogen atom with chlorine. Remaining three hydrogens of carbon are also replaced by chlorine atoms, which will be discussed in next lecture. Khuda Hafiz. Fi amanillah.